Today's video is going to be a little before and after makeup organization. I'm going to show you my collection, even though my collection is, I wouldn't even call it a collection because it's basically everything that I actually use. It's the makeup that I use. I don't really have a huge overflow. The stuff that I do have as an overflow, like products I haven't used before, just a couple, were sent to me from the brand, so it wasn't like I was out purchasing excess amount of makeup. I try to live a very minimalistic lifestyle nowadays. Minimalism speaks to me. I just feel like I have a clearer head when I don't own a lot of things. So I have very small amount of makeup that I use. I repurchase the same stuff all the time. So I will show you that today. I'll also show you my nail polish collection. I have to go through it and organize it and get rid of some colors and bring in some new ones because I actually ordered some of my favorite colors that I had to get rid of because they were just all used up or just old and goopy, and so I repurchased some of my favorite colors recently, and I just got an order or got an email that my Ulta order shipped with those nail polishes in it. So when those come, I'll show you guys, but for the most part my nail polish collection is pretty small too, a little bit disorganized, so I'm going to organize that and probably insert the after into a different video. So this is going to be kind of a more of a before and after of my makeup. I'm also going to show you the space that I'm in. Since we have a really small townhome, this is going to be my desk area and also my makeup area. So I do both at one desk. I love the desk. I've had it for a really long time. It's very cheap from Target. I'll link it below. I know they still sell it, but it's great for office or vanity purposes. So I'm hot. Yeah, so I'll give you a tour of the space, kind of show you what I'm working with, and yeah, hope that you guys enjoy the video. I just got all of these Container Store little organizers in, and I'm going to organize this drawer, which, get ready for it. This is supposed to be half makeup, like everyday makeup, and half office. And this is how it looks, which I'm not proud of. So, I'm going to take everything out and use my little bins, hopefully they work, and organize all of this. I think it'll be really, really great because this is just a hot mess. Put them in. This is kind of annoying me that there's one like extra. I don't know why I didn't order two of these to kind of fill the entire drawer, but I honestly don't even know if I'm going to use the big one because I did want like office stuff here, although I took all my camera stuff and put it in my closet, so I don't think I'll actually need those anymore. And I'm not sure about these two. I might swap these out and put this one here because I feel like I can fit more makeup there. But I'm gonna do like my makeup brushes here, probably a lot of my everyday little things here, and then we'll see. I really don't have that much makeup at all, which you guys will see, but I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with all of my makeup. So here is the after, ignore my hair tools. Here is the after with all of the bins in. I actually didn't put any bins right here. I just stuck these two eyeshadow palettes on the side because there's no purpose of them really sitting in a bin. And then in the back, look how deep the drawer is. There's even a ton more space if you really needed it back here. I just have like a bunch of Kleenexes back there, but there's probably another good like 3 or 4 inches back there if you wanted to put more bins, although they'd be kind of hard to get to. So the first bin is basically my everyday makeup, which I uploaded that video, or my everyday makeup routine, last week. I'll link it below if you want to see it, but it's kind of like all of my, literally my entire face in this first compartment. So it's just easy. Open the drawer every day. This is my entire face. A couple people were asking about this. I mix it with my foundation. I didn't realize that it's actually a limited edition, or it was, so they don't sell it anymore, the Super Radiant Booster. But they do sell other Radiant Booster type things that that I've used by NARS that you could mix in easily, so I will link those below for those who are asking about this. Also, this Hourglass stuff is really great alternative. Obviously you can't mix it in with your foundation, but I love this stuff. This is the Brilliant Strobe Light Powder. What I'll do with this is once my foundation is on, I will just dust this over my entire face. It's basically going to give you a glow just like the Radiant Booster. It's super, super pretty. You just kind of look like you have glowy skin. There's no like glitter in it or anything, so I'll link that below. But anyway, this is also kind of my everyday stuff, along with this. I don't wear a highlight every day, but this is a really gorgeous one from Dior. I wear the bronzer every day, and I typically wear this blush every day, although this fell and it's cracked inside, but I just keep it as a reminder to, I need to order another one. That's my favorite blush.
But right now I'm just using this blush and bronzer palette from Urban Decay because I don't have that one. Love this little palette. It's very warm, it's simple. A lot of matte colors. I feel like it would be really good for an everyday eye, but I haven't really used it that much just because I love my Naked Honey for my everyday eye makeup the best. Link below. Yeah, so actually this container, I really don't use any of these. These are like some brand new concealers that I have that were sent to me that I haven't used yet. A glitter liner, which I may have used once, but I did buy this myself, so I'm keeping it. I have my makeup brushes. I usually keep the face ones, honestly, over here. I have my eyeshadow brushes, my eyebrow little brush. I'm using this for a couple weeks now with my brushes in the drawer instead of out on the countertop, and it works totally fine. Yeah, so been loving that. This is just kind of a random drawer, or this is just a little random cubby. I'll probably put like tweezers in here. I have some eyelash glue. I haven't worn lashes in years, but still holding on to that. Some little samples. This stuff is so good. The Dream Skin. It's kind of like a foundation primer type thing. I'm gonna order the full size because it's that good. Kind of like blurs your skin, makes it look so nice. Beauty blender. This little cubby, I also don't really use this stuff a lot, although I did use this stuff today. It's the, what is it even called? Awakening Radiance. Kind of gives you a little glow, but it's like tinted, so it's kind of like a blush. 2 single Urban Decay shadows and a Stila glittery eyeshadow thing. So out of everything I've shown you so far, I really don't use these. I really don't use these. It's kind of like, this is what I'm using all the time. And then this last big container, I thought I was gonna do like all office supplies in this. I wasn't gonna use it for makeup at all. Just kind of have my pens here. I'll probably put like my, my notebooks and whatever. I have more office things here. I might even get rid of this. So this is just stuff I really don't use. A lot of it's brand new. Like all of these mascaras are brand new. They were sent to me by the brands. Some eyeliners, some red lipsticks, and darker lip pencils. These are some other lipsticks. I feel like I'm just hanging on to them because I do want to actually go through all these mascaras and use them up. But like red lipstick and things, like those are obviously, I'm not going to wear red lip every day, but I want to keep those. Some sharpeners. And then this, does anyone else have something like this in their makeup collection? This is so old. This is probably one of the first high-end products I ever used, like as a teenager. It's by Lancome, the Star Bronzer. You push this down and the bronzing powder like shoots out of the brush. And I remember using this so much. Like this is probably like my 3rd or 4th one. Like I repurchased it quite a bit back then. And this is so old. I don't even know if they make this, but like I can't get rid of it. It's just one of those like products that I don't know, I don't want to get rid of it even though I don't use it. It's so old. I remember working in customer service and like people would always compliment me on my like blush or bronzer because it's kind of shimmery, and it was this product and I just love it, and I don't know, it's like nostalgic, so I keep it there. So pretty much all of this is, you know, stuff I'm not really using here either. My brushes, not really using this. So like my collection is really these items, and I'm using them all every single day. Well, I'm not doing my makeup every day, but you get the point. So really it's nice and organized. So it's nice and organized, which I love, and it's very simple, it's very small, manageable, and I'm actually in the mood to purchase some new makeup products. I really want to try some Charlotte Tilbury and maybe some Tom Ford or Chanel, like that kind of type of makeup I have never really used. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. I follow Charlotte Tilbury on Instagram, and oh my god, all of the products look like a dream, so I might have to make a purchase and have some fun while we're in quarantine. This is what I currently have my nail polish in. I used to have this completely filled with makeup, like extra makeup that I never used. So I got rid of my nail polish racks. Well, that's not true. I gave one of them to my niece and I left the other one at my mom's. But I really want to have a smaller nail polish collection, and this is like a total hot mess right now. And this is typically in my closet, so it's not sitting out on my desk. The only thing that's going to be sitting out on my desk is going to be my iMac. I have 3 orange colors. I don't know why I put them up here. And I got this little organizer on Amazon. It's really great for makeup or even like bathroom things like face wash and, you know, all your bathroom essentials. This goes all the way back, so you could put it up against the wall and have like tall things sitting out right here, like on your bathroom counter. Or you can, what I've always done is stored things in here that I don't really use that much, and then also put things on top, like taller things on top, just to have more room. But this is just my random drawer that I keep you know, files and nail clippers in. And then the actual nail polish, I have these 3 colors down here. This is the first drawer. It's not even organized by color. I literally like, threw all of these in here when I was moving. So these are the only colors that I have left. I just got rid of a bunch that were really old or just colors I didn't use because I had so many polishes that were sent to me, and so I had a huge hoard. If you remember pictures I used to post, I had 3 huge racks filled with colors. It was a lot. And now I just have what's left, although I did, like I already said in this video, I ordered some of my all-time favorites that I had to throw out because they were just really old and like goopy and half-used and stuff. So I do want to organize this by brand and color. When I do, it's really heavy. When I do, I will show you an upcoming vlog when it's all organized. I just don't feel like doing it right now. But that's kind of how I'm storing all of that, and this sits in my closet, so it's not out. But that is all of the polish I have right now. So just to give you an overview of the space, this room is actually round. It kind of curves, as you can see down here. There's a bunch of huge windows, which I love. So I put my desk right up into the center window. I typically will have my iMac right here, but like I said, since me and my boyfriend are both working from home right now, I let him have this space with his work laptop, and my iMac is on the kitchen table right now. So this is the desk from Target. Highly recommend. I'm gonna pull this out. Has so much room for stuff, and pretty cheap for our desk. So the handle, though, I painted gold. I think it's normally like a gunmetal color, although I wish it was black. I think I want to paint it black. It's been gold for like 5 years and I'm a little over it, but anyway, so this is the space. The room is round, so I got this round rug. I actually just got it. It's very, very cheap. It comes in square, like every size you could think of, even much larger circles. The only reason I put the rug here is because the bottom of this chair is pointy. Like the feet are actually very pointy, and I didn't want to put any dents in the wood floor. So just got that rug. I do like it. I actually think it'd be really nice as a large like square area rug. Like I said, so cheap. I think this was like 20 bucks or something. I have my large mirror over here. I'm gonna start taking some outfit of the day photos. I have extra storage up here, which I'm 5'11" and this is very tall. I can barely reach it. Well, I can't reach it. I have to get on a chair, and even then it's hard for me to reach. But it goes so far back. We have tons of storage up in there. And then this closet, which I have like most of my clothes. Yeah, that is my office slash makeup area. The cool light up there. If you have any questions about anything, just let me know in the comments, or you can direct message me on Instagram. I'm trying to get through all of my DMs. It's always a goal of mine. So if I don't respond, send me another one. I'm on top of those typically. What else was I gonna say? Oh, so I did organize also like the entire kitchen, because when I first moved in, when you first move in a space, you put like cups in an area and food in another area, and you don't really like know what you're doing until you live in the space and you get used to it. Siren. So it took me a while to kind of organize the whole kitchen, but I did do that, and I filmed a lot of like before and after. So let me know if you want to see that. That you're all staying safe and healthy. And I'm thinking of you guys all the time. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.